What's up, sellers, and welcome to today's video. I'm super pumped about this video. Happy to share a tool and a resource that I found recently that I believe can help you if you are an eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari seller. I'm going to share it with you right after this. All right, welcome back. First off, before we jump into this, let me say how happy I am that yesterday's video went so well. It was the video where I talked about how I'm no longer an Amazon seller because I got banned. Amazon kicked me out. I made some mistakes, totally my fault, and I'm no longer Amazon seller. So eBay, Poshmark, Mercari is full steam ahead. It has been for a few months, but now you know the whole story. Or if you don't know the whole story, click the card above to go watch the whole story. One more thing before we jump into this, I want to show you just a few things that have sold today. They're up on my shipping counter, and we're going to check those out. One thing in particular that sold, super happy about it because it's helping my wife with her missions trip. So let's go check it out. All right, so what we have here, just a few things. I saw this pair of Vans skate highs. I think I paid $5 for them. Sold them on Mercari for 30. A few books, like 10 bucks a piece, I guess. The thing I'm super excited and pumped about is this Xbox 360 kit. So if you're not aware, and most of you are not, my wife is fundraising to take a trip to Haiti to help some churches there, and it cost about $1,600. Well, we had a friend come through and they bought some stuff from my wife. She's been selling some of her old goods, and they bought some stuff, and then the husband actually donated this Xbox 360 with a 250 gig hard drive, the Kinect, some games, 2 controllers, all the cables, everything. And he said, hey, sell this, keep the profits, put it toward the missions trip. And that was it. So my wife, because she's doing most of her fundraising in person through a Facebook group, believe it or not, selling everything through a Facebook group. Because she's doing that, I took this to sell it on eBay. It sold for $129, free shipping. So we're going to pay fees, pay the shipping, and then the rest of that money gets dumped into her account. It's putting her dangerously close to reaching that goal of nearly $1,600. All right, we are back on the big camera. All right, I'm super pumped about this because I'm gonna show you a tool that I have found to be incredibly useful, incredibly helpful with listing and cross-listing to eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I'm super excited to show this tool or this software with you. It is a subscription-based software, and they have multiple tiered, you kind of like pay for what you need sort of thing. But we will go over that when we get into the computer. With that being said, let's jump into the computer, let's check out this software, and let's see how it's making me so much money. All right, so whenever you're here, the website is called vendoo.co, vendoo.co. Do not put .com is an entirely different website that will not get you where you need to go. Vendoo.co, there's a link down in the description of this video if you want to check this website out. We're here on the login. I'm just going to go ahead and click login. And you can see here we have my Vendoo inventory. And so basically what I do is I create a listing either on eBay or on Poshmark, and I'll do all of my listings. I normally list from my iPad, and then I do that like when I'm sitting on the couch, or if I'm laying in bed, I'll just list stuff from my iPad to one platform. Well, this website links all 3 platforms together, so I can go in and I can pull my inventory from Poshmark into this website, and then from this website I can push it over to eBay and Mercari. And instead of like opening up multiple tabs and windows and all this stuff, it's all done right here in one place. The great thing, the greatest feature I think about this website is the fact that you can delist and relist items on any one of the platforms. So for Mercari, for instance, let's say we go to my oldest listing. Let's say we go to my oldest listing, and which is this pair of Pearl Azumis, and we'll open that up. You can see it's got all of my information. On the left here, you see it's highlighted with Vendoo. Vendoo is the default, so you're gonna put all your general information there, and then it breaks down underneath that to eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari. So we're here in Vendoo. Let's jump into the Poshmark listing, and you can see all the details going down, prices and all that stuff. and at the bottom it says your item is listed. So my item is listed. I'm happy about it. Well, I can simply go and delist. This to me is the most important feature, because for some websites like Mercari, they don't want old inventory sitting, they want fresh inventory. So from here you can delist and relist all from one movement, and you don't have to change anything, and it's great. Also, let's say you've worked your prices down using promote buttons, and you start burying your price too low. Well, from this, you can delist it and relist it, and it will relist at your original relisted price. Now, you lose followers, you lose viewers or watchers on that item. However, this freshens that listing back to the top of the listings in that search term or that category or that brand or what have you. Boom, and there it is. It's listed, it's ready to go. So right here, you can see I have the subscription plus plan. That is 250 active items. That is per billing cycle, and so if you max it out at 250, and you have to wait till the next billing cycle before you can start moving again. Now let's take a look at the plans, because I know that's really what you're interested in, and that is sort of the most important thing. Before you can commit to something, you want to know what the plan is, what they cost, and that sort of thing. So here we are on my main dashboard. I'm going to click in the settings tab. I've had this for 28 days and it has been working like a dream for me. So you go to subscriptions, you can see my current subscription. I pay $39.97, not including discounts. I don't have any discounts, but I pay $39.97 for this, for the 250 items. Let's look at the subscriptions. I'm going to click change subscription, and we have this nice template right here. You can see the starter plan starts out at 25 items. Sort of if you just want to get a feel for the waters here. 25 items. Then you step it up. You have the simple plan, the plus. I just jumped into the plus plan because I have several hundred items on my eBay account that need to get cross-listed to Poshmark and or Mercari. And so that's where I'm at. One of my friends, he jumped right in at the pro plan, my friend Austin. So you can do that if you wanted to. And then you have your advanced plan. Now, these are just the listings that the website will host for you. Basically, you're paying for server size and for the website to actually go out and do that work for you for that number of items. You can see with the more items that you actually pick for your plan, the price per item goes less and less. If you start at the starter plan, you're paying 36 cents per item. If you go with the advanced plan, you're at 5 cents per item. So you save money per item, but you do spend more money per month going out. However, if you have 2,000 items cross-listed between 3 platforms, let me tell you, $100 a month is not going to be a single drop in the bucket compared to what you're going to be bringing in. And that's a fact.
And that's a fact.
You can see down here, we have some add-ons, relist and delist. So if you don't want this $5 add-on, which covers all of your listings, no matter how many you have, relist and delist is basically what I just showed you. You can delist the products from each platform, or you can relist them, or whatever you want to do. If you don't have this add-on, then you just simply have to go into the other platforms. After an item sells, you have to go into the other platforms and delist it manually. Not a big deal. I just like it being all in one place, and it's $5. And then right here, importing, I would highly suggest, in fact, I would say that this is absolutely mandatory. Importing is mandatory because otherwise you'll have to build your entire listing from this, and that can be painful. I guess if you're on your phone and you want to work from your Safari or your Google Chrome browser on your phone or your iPad or your desktop or whatever, you could do that, and you could just build your listings from here. However, I like to build my listings from within one of the platforms and then import it to Vendoo, and then it fills everything out seamlessly. Add on fourth marketplace. I don't have a fourth marketplace, and so I did not add that on. You know, this is $39.95 or $97, which is, I guess, if you're starting out, that's a bit steep. I know when I was first starting out in reselling, that would not have worked for me. And so you have to really determine if this is something that can work for you. Remember that as you go out and you do more cross-listing, you're going to make more sales, which means you're going to make more money faster. The whole goal, right, is to make those billions of dollars, just to make billions.
Billions and billions and billions and billions.
And so sometimes you have to spend a little bit of money to make money, not always, but sometimes you got to spend a little bit of money to make money. And this might be one of those cases for you. Let's back out of here and let's go into my inventory. And I'm just going to show you how this works. We're going to go to page number 1. I'm going to scroll to the top. You can see I have a bunch of stuff here. I have a Stussy manufactured shirt. camouflage t-shirt. And so we're going to open this up. You can see I'm actually going to go through the listing process of putting it to eBay and Mercari. And yeah, you can just see how it goes. So I listed it on Poshmark. I imported it. It pulled the photos in. It's still waiting for 2 photos to load. There's one, and the other should be here soon. So it pulled all this information in for me. You can see your title is there, description's there, brand, condition is missing. So it highlights anything that's missing, that's mandatory. It highlights it in red. So we put pre-owned, secondary color, I guess black. So we'll throw that in there just for good measure. It doesn't have a SKU for this. This puts it now, category is a little bit weird. Sometimes it's weird. Camping, hiking, sporting goods, that's not right at all. So you do have to pay attention to some stuff. I go back here and go to clothing and go to men's clothing, and let's see, shirts. And so as I'm doing this, it's updating for all the platforms. Like all this information that I'm putting here is going to be pushed into the other platforms, which is great. This weighs 15 ounces and my price is 34 bucks. Hit save. It saves, it takes a couple seconds. Now I jump into my eBay listing and you can see here we are. It's got all the information in there. T-shirt saved. Size. What size was this? Medium. All right, so size is medium and standard. Well, I guess we could put regular. It's pre-owned. I'm gonna do free shipping. Scroll down. I do returns for 30 days. I will allow a best offer. I will decline below $29 and list. And that's it. And it's listing on eBay as we speak. While it's listing, I can actually move to Mercari. You can actually move off of that page and it will continue working for it. And actually, look at that. Going back, it's already listed. So that is how fast, literally 20 seconds, 30 seconds at the most to just get the stuff listed. I'm talking a lot, so it may take more than 30 seconds. But let's see what we can do here. I'm going to erase t-shirt. And I'm going to erase jersey, and I'll just put shirt. I think I can fit that in there. Yep. So it actually tells you how many characters you have and how many are allowed. We still have the same. We still have the same description in there. Brand. I'm going to throw Stussy in there. Stussy's a good brand, and apparently it's not here. So that's weird. Mercari doesn't have that. That's all right. Color is green. Good. Let's see. For my tags, I'm just going to put camo, shirt. What else can I put? Stussy. There you go. Men's tops, shirts. Accept that. Let's see. Size is medium. Offer free shipping. Yes. How do you want to ship your item? Prepaid label. 15 ounces. Everything pushed. Boom. That easy. That's it. Now, whenever you do go through and you subscribe to your own membership, it will ask you to go into your Chrome browser extensions and add an extension, and that is what is able to connect your Vendoo account to your Mercari and your Poshmark. You'll have to accept permissions for eBay. It's really seamless. It does not take very long. I think 10 minutes to set up was total everything. That's it. Like, that is the whole thing. It does take longer to list on Mercari. In my experience, it takes a little bit longer. However, you can go to the next item and you're good. So while that works for me, I can go onto my Oakley shirt, my vintage Playboy pullover shirt, my Columbia shorts, my Levi's. I can just keep working on all that stuff and it does the work for me. It's really great. A couple more positive points about this particular program is their help desk is lightning fast. You click help, you send a message. I do live chat or sending a message, and I'm telling you, they get back within 4 or 5 minutes. I've messaged them multiple times, and 4 or 5 minutes they help me clear up an issue, or they give me instructions or directions. It's awesome. So let's say that you sell a shirt. Let's say we sell these Vans skate highs right here on Mercari, but we need to pull them off of Poshmark or eBay. You do the delisted thing, and then once it's delisted, there's no point in having it on your dashboard because it's just taking up space. So then, the item's sold on Mercari, it's gone, it's done. So all you have to do is hit the delete button, and it's trash, it's out of there. So guys, that is Vendoo, and I have no doubt that this is an incredible tool that can make you serious money when it comes to selling on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari. The fact is, like, I tried it, and it just works. It works amazing. I'm so pumped about it. I literally can't wait to list every single day. So right now, Vendoo is offering a little promotion. If you click through the link in my description, it is an affiliate link. I reached out to them. I was like, look, I am a 100% believer in your product, in your service, in this software. Can I please be an affiliate? They're like, yeah, sure. Here's the sign up. Here's what you get from Vendoo. When you sign up for any one of those packages, whatever your add-ons are or anything, you get 25% off for your first month. That's their trial, kind of like, check it out and see if it works for you. Here's the great thing about it. If it doesn't work for you, you can throttle back to a lower subscription. You can cancel altogether anytime, doesn't matter. You can just be out, call it quits. Or if it does work great for you, boost it up to the next thing. I'm about to sign up for the Pro plan because I believe in this so wholeheartedly. The way to ensure that you get your 25% discount, whatever device you sign up for Vendoo with for your user account, you have to use that same device to subscribe to one of the subscriptions. So if you use your phone to sign up for an account with Vendoo, you have to sign up with that phone for the subscription. Pretty simple. I mean, I don't know why you would sign up with one thing and then jump to your computer or your tablet for a different thing. I don't know. Anyways, I hope this video has been helpful and opens your eyes a little bit to a very vital tool for selling, listing, cross-listing, delisting, and relisting when it comes to selling on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Guys, if this video was helpful to you, be sure to click that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing, and then as always, keep selling, get that bag, and I'll see you on the next video.